So this is Peugeot 3008. Today we are going to change automatic transmission oil. It's Aisin 8-speed Japanese gearbox, and model is 1.5 diesel. So first what we're going to do is to open the fuel drain bolt, which is located right here. So let's first remove that one before we drain the oil from the bottom. We will use T55 to unscrew the fuel oil plug from here. Okay, so filler bolt has been removed. Here it is, but I will just leave it here to prevent some dirty to get into the hole. So let's try to focus. So just leave it here for now until we drain the oil from the bottom. Okay, so we are underneath the car now, and here is the drain oil plug for this Aisin 8-speed gearbox. So it's two bolts, small one and big one. Let's first do the one and put something to take the gearbox oil. Let's do it. Okay, so the small one is T40. So let's unscrew first that one. Okay, this is how it looks. It has a rubber O-ring here. I will replace it, and the next one is 17 hex. Let me find that one. 17 hex to unscrew this one. Let's do it and let's drain this. You see, it's really dirty oil for the transmission. It's 170 kilometers, probably never changed on this engine. Let's do it. Okay, let's now see the oil. This engine is 170k kilometers. So you see that brown color, like a mud, probably never changed. Okay, I need 2 hands to remove this set. Look at the color of oil and everything. It was so dirty. Let's now put back bolts so we can fill the new fresh oil. Okay, let's tighten this one. Let's fill the new oil now. With this is the oil I bought, 4 liters, and it meets the specification needed for this gearbox. So 4 liters for Aisin 8-speed. Okay, let's again remove the bolt and fill the 4 liters of oil, and then we are going with next procedure. New red oil goes right into the gearbox. Okay, all 4 liters are there, so let's remove this and close the fuel hole and Let's start the engine and check the level of oil. So this is the diagnostic tool that I will use, EasyDiag. Yellow one to check the transmission temperature. So let's connect it. So you have to remove this cover from here in order to find OBD plug, which is here on the right side of the wheel. And diagnostic tool is connected. As I mentioned, it's EasyDiag. When we select gearbox, and now we have an option automatic gearbox oil temperature. Let's check it. It's 27 degrees, so it should be 63 as I remember. Let's start the engine now. Always hold the brake down. And yeah, let's leave turn on, and now let's switch through the gears from park to neutral, drive, reverse for a couple of minutes and keep in each position, keep for a couple of seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, and then we will check the temperature again. Also, what should you do when you put in drive? Press the manual and go through all the gears for 10 to 15 seconds and then get back to park. So we should not wait temperature to be 63 degrees. It's a wrong information. It should be 35 to 45 Celsius in order to work well. Let's wait for communication. Let's check it again with data stream. Principal parameters. Automatic gearbox oil temperature. It's at 35 degrees, so we have a minimum to access the oil drain. Okay, we have 36 degrees. It's in a range of 35 to 45. That's enough to drain excess oil from the bottom. So leave it in parking, and handbrake should be on. And let's go to drain excess oil. Okay. That should be it. Oil successfully replaced. It's only probably half of oil. If the oil is not changed for a very long time, like on this vehicle, then you should do it again. Like I will do it in a couple of weeks again with 4 liters of oil. And now the last step, to return this bottom cover, and that's it.